So guys, I'm currently set up to do a recovery. Here we go. Have the ramp set up, ready to get the customer's car on. I get the customer's car and come up, and this absolute fandan is parked behind me. I've got my hazard lights on. It's clear that I'm doing a recovery. I have an absolute fandan parked here. It's the customer's car I need to get put on.
20 minutes later.
This happens on a daily basis. Car's loaded, it's on, it's ready. If it's on, it's gone. I know what yous are saying. Oh, be used to it, you'll be used to it. Listen, see when it involves ignorant people like that, you don't get used to it. You get more and more pissed off, you get more and more bitter about it. That guy obviously wasn't expecting to come out of Costa Coffee to get bawled at. According to him, he had done nothing wrong. It's like, mate, are you thick? Is there something wrong with your head? Have you been smoking some sort of narcotic? Just be realistic, mate. So I don't think he will be parking behind a trailer with hazard lights on ever again. Don't do it.